Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a package that came to me all the way from the Florida Panhandle. That means it must be from my Four Horsemen teammate and good online friend Paul from Diecast Graveyard. He actually mailed this to Canada while I was there on vacation and missed me by a day. But luckily my oldest daughter and her family were visiting us in Europe a couple weeks later, and they brought this over in their luggage. The first thing out of the box is a ramp pan by Hot Wheels, including a 61 Impala on the back. That's the first one of those that I've ever had. Nice addition. And here's a 56 Chevy. We see lots of 55s. I've got some 57s. Now I can round out the Tri-5 collection. And here's a treasure hunt. Paul, thank you. Marked it so that I wouldn't miss it. It's a 67 Camaro, and I'm sure he wouldn't mind if I cracked that open one day and did some customizing to it, because he knows that's what I'm all about. Here's a European car by Matchbox. It's a 68 Citroën DS. Still see these around here. I live on the border with France. But you're not going to catch a 53 Buick Skylark convertible on the streets of Switzerland. That would be a rare sighting. Cool car. Couple of Matchbox castings. Nice. Here's a 78 Dodge Little Red Express truck by Hot Wheels. No doubt there's going to be a pickup challenge coming up soon somewhere, and that will be a great candidate. And there's got to be a Porsche in this box somewhere. It's a 356A with moving parts. I think the trunk lid opens on this one. Very cool. Here's a Lucy, and I already know what it is. Do you? It's a Corgi Jr.'s old monkey mobile, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 monkeys are in there too. That's complete. There's front glass. I have to look it up and see. No, they got an arm hanging out the window, so that's supposed to be open. It's a bit rough, but it just needs to be cleaned up, and I will. I hope you're following Paul's channel and keeping up with the super huge, ginormous build-off now in Phase 4. He's got an Independence Day build coming up, July 4th, and he does lots of live streams too, always announced in advance. Thanks for all the great cars, Paul. Now to some hobby supplies. Oh, I'm happy to unfurl this one. It's restocking my supply of Diecast Graveyard 2K Clear. Paul developed this recipe by himself with the help of some secret laboratory technicians. This is the accompanying hardener that you need to go with it. One of the best products out there. Lots of community creators have reviewed this online and given it glowing reviews. And this is the first time I've got my hands on his tapping fluid. When you're drilling out those posts, you need to lubricate your drill bit. All of these and more items are available at diecastgraveyard.com. Please check out Paul's website. Now it looks like, to save space and weight in the package, Paul has unboxed and bubble wrapped by hand this final item. And you can tell by the components coming out first, including valves and connectors and needles. .5 and .3. It's a brand new airbrush. RJ Global is the brand. Paul is an airbrushing expert, and he knows his equipment better than anybody else. He's been doing it for so long, so I have full confidence this is going to be a great addition to my very small equipment inventory. Thank you, Paul. I sure am grateful for every item in this box. There's a link in the description to visit Diecast Graveyard on YouTube, and thank you for visiting MapleLeaf Customs again today. It's coffee time.